everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my new employee. This is the best kind of employee because they don't eat much, they don't take up a lot of space, and they're lightweight. So let's see who's inside. Look how big she is. Super excited. And even without instructions, this is gonna be super easy to put together. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So easy peasy. My new employee slash dress form was sent to me by Sebastro Inc. You may remember this company from a previous video, the Bell tutorial. Yes, that one. They sent me another mannequin, and that one is still in excellent shape. This time I was looking for a larger dress form because all of my dress forms are very small because they photograph well. I wanted a larger dress form to display items that I have when I make them for a larger child. So sometimes someone will ask me to custom design something for a 10 or 12-year-old child, and my dress forms that I have are just too small, so I was super excited to get this one. Sebastro's website is super easy to navigate. It is very user-friendly. There are so many options. They have dress forms and mannequins of all shapes and sizes. I was really excited about the maternity dress forms. I don't even know why. I do make maternity tutus though, so I'll have to look into that in the future. So taking pictures of your products on mannequins and dress forms gives your online shop a consistent, polished look that really is going to show your products in the best light. All of Sebastro Inc.'s products are competitively priced. I actually really like their pricing. I think they're actually priced better than a lot of their competitors. No matter what type of clothing you make, Sebastro Inc. has a dress form or mannequin or display for your product. She has a little knob under here so that I can make it loose or tight onto this rod here so I can slide it up and down. So see, she's low, but I can tighten it. I think I'll tighten it right about here. Let's see how tall she can get. But she's actually probably taller than a 12-year-old, or she can be about a 12-year-old size. Lily, come here. Okay, so she stands about Lily's height, and Lily wears about a 12, 14. And so they look about the same, but we'll test it out and see. One of the things that I really like about using a dress form when I'm making this style dress is that it allows me to place the flowers as it would appear on my customer. So I like these flowers to cascade on this type of dress, and so using a dress form makes it really easy because I can see like where the body curves and where the skirt lines up, which is not impossible when you don't have a dress form, but it does make it a little more challenging. So it's one of the things that's super helpful. I really like Sebastro's brand of dress forms. They are very well made. I've had my other one, it still looks brand new. And they're lightweight, easy to store, easy to break down. The tutu came out. I love how it looks on this mannequin or this dress form. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you like to purchase this dress form or another dress form like it, make sure you check that description box below. I will have the link to where you can find this dress form below. If you're not following me on Instagram and Facebook, you should do that because I try to post regularly now on Instagram. So I'll be posting more and more things so you can see some of the things that I make and some of the things that I sell. If you'd like to order something from me, make sure that you reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook or on my website, DIYReese.com. I also have PDF patterns there, and you can see more about the tutorials that I have done in the past. Let me know what you want to see next in the comment section below. Talk to you later. Bye.